the active espresso machine cleaner. I have an espresso machine, so this is going to be a little bit different, but they come in little tablets. If I could get one out, there's one. And what I'm going to do is actually take the reservoir and put the tablet in there. I'm going to get some hot water to get this dissolved, and then we're going to run it through the cycle. So give me 1 second, get some warmer water. So it's in there, it's starting to fizz. I might just let it do its thing. I might go grab a spoon or a knife to speed up the process. But obviously this is a little bit different than like a traditional espresso machine. So I just wanted to do a video of what it would be like if you have an espresso, like something like mine. So I think we just need to kind of let it do its thing. I'm gonna get a just normal glass ready to go to catch all the water, and then I'll run this all the way through, and then I will obviously want to dump any remaining and get fresh water and do a fresh water cycle before I use coffee. But yeah, you can still see it's bubbling. All right, it took a little minute to dissolve. I would probably use hotter water to speed it up, but let's go ahead and at least run the first cycle. Kind of an interesting color, so I'm glad I'm not drinking this. We'll do another cycle. I'm just doing long shots of espresso. I guess it's probably 5. Oh boy, this went right to the rim. I could have dumped it sooner, but let's go ahead and carefully remove this. I'm gonna just dump this in the sink. And then we'll get the last little remaining bit. And then I'm gonna actually refill the reservoir, but just with normal water, and do like a clean remaining cycle. All right. Back in.